if you want to download any app that requires payment, either iOS or Android, or an app that is not available on the App Store or Play Store, then watch this video to know how. Stay tuned. What up, my fellow YouTubers? I am Enacaus. You know me, right? You don't? Let me introduce myself. I am Enacaus Zaman, and in this channel, I provide you everything you need for YouTube success. YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, app reviews, video search engine optimization, everything you need for becoming a successful YouTuber. So if you do want more information, free information like this for YouTube success, then subscribe and keep on watching. Alright, this is the first app review we're doing in this channel. And yes, we can download paid apps for free on iOS or Android. This is working 10 million%, alright? 10 million%. It is absolutely free, only iOS and Android mobile devices. So the app's name is Tutu app. Tutu app is a third-party app that allows you to download paid apps for free, like I'm teaching you right now, plus apps and hacked apps. Now paid apps are like Minecraft, you know how you have to download Minecraft, you have to pay for it. So I have Minecraft downloaded and it is free. I downloaded it for free. Plus apps are like Instagram plus, Facebook plus, Twitter plus. These plus apps give you more features for an app, and they give you like more to do. Hacked apps are like Clash of Clans hack. I have it downloaded as well. Clash of Clans hacks, Injustice 2 hack. All these types of hacked apps give you infinite amount of coins or infinite amounts of gems and stuff. So that's what hacked apps do. Now remember to watch the full video so that you don't have any problem. And if you do have, and after watching the video, if you still do have any problem, please make sure to ask down in the comments. But we can do a lot of things now with today's technology. We can download paid apps for free, and all this good stuff. But should we download paid apps for free? Okay, let's first learn why should we download paid apps for free. Alright, because number one, you don't have to pay extra money on your YouTube journey. You know how you have to, pay for Photoshop, pay for this, pay for that. There's already a lot of things you need to pay for, and apps are just like extra stuff. So why not just download it for free, right? And two, come on, it's free. Why not? Like, let's download it for free. It's free, so why not? You get plus apps and hacked apps are like a lot of fun. So yeah, so the reason why you should download paid apps for free is quite obvious right now. Before I teach you guys how to download paid apps for free, first we need to know about the app itself. The app is called, again, Tutu app. There are a lot of errors in Tutu app, and I am going to go over them right now. Apple or in iOS devices, if you use Tutu app, most of the apps that are available in Tutu app are disabled to use on the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 11. Now iOS 11 has completely blocked out third-party apps, and Tutu apps, developers, they're still working on them for iOS 11, so we still need to wait. But for now, in Apple, it's best to download Tutu app on iOS 10 or below. On Android, it lags a lot if you don't have a good internet connection. And I am sorry for all those Android users who have a bad internet connection. It's just you have to deal with it. So if you do have a good internet connection, Android users, you have perfectly fine. but for the Android users who don't have a good internet connection, you're gonna be in trouble. Both operating systems, iOS and Android, you need to download this suspicious app called Nest Tool. Now, yes, I do have Nest Tool downloaded in my iPad, and to be honest, Nest Tool isn't really anything. Like, I'll just explain. Now, people say that Nest Tool is like an app that can get access to your contacts, they can get access to your photos, they can get access to this and that. But to be honest, these are all accusations, these are all false claims. None of these happened to me as much as I know. None of these happen to my friends, none of these happen to my family who do have Tutu app installed. So yeah, I don't think Nest Tool is suspicious. Now, what is Nest Tool? Nest Tool is a tool that allows to get access to your device so that they're able to let you download paid apps for free. Because if Apple knows that you are downloading paid apps for free, they're straight away gonna slap them off. So what Nest Tool does, they just put a barrier between the Apple company and Nest Tool company so that Apple does not get access to Tutu app. Now, Tutu app and Nest Tool are working together to get the next update together. So yeah, but the latest update that came out, to be honest, I like it. Let's get over some Tutu app accusations. Now, I was searching on Google and I found on Quora people are saying that this app isn't safe. Now, I don't know, they could be lying, they could be telling the truth, they could be just spreading false messages, they could be just, you know, doing nothing. But people on Quora are saying that they have got trouble with Tutu app. Now, as I said, I have never had any problems with Tutu app. Neither have my friends, family, anyone who has Tutu app installed. But like throughout the internet, I've searched, I haven't found that many people having problems with Tutu app. Now, I've made a chart, a pie chart. This is the percentage of how many people don't care, how many people are lying, and how many people are telling the truth. So yeah, I found it out. So you can just trust my pie chart and stuff. But yes, my pie chart is accurate. I have searched throughout the internet, so you can trust me, right? Now, finally, how to download paid apps for free. How to use Tutu app to download paid apps for free. Right now, we're going to learn that. Step 1. Go to your web browser. On Apple, it's best on Safari. On Android, it's best on Google. Then write down Tutu app and click on their website. Next, click on Install Now. Then follow the instructions given on the website, because if I give you the instructions, they can change anytime. So yeah, just follow their instructions given on their website, and then you're basically done. But they will tell you to download Nest Tool. Now, for Nest Tool, as I said, nothing really happens, so go ahead and download it. All you have to do is just go to Tutu app, then click on their Nest Tool app, and then once you download Nest Tool, just go to their app and then make sure it's working. That's it. Once you've set up Nest Tool and once you've downloaded Tutu app, you're done right now. So just go on Tutu app and just download random apps so that just to make sure it works. And then once you download that random app, you can go delete it and stuff. But then you can go have fun, go creative with Tutu app. I have downloaded a lot of apps from Tutu app. Now, final words. I hope I have helped you to download paid apps for free. Apple and Android do not allow for you to download paid apps for free. So I hope I just helped you, I guess, just a bit. You watching this video, I know most of the time is useless, but I just hope it helped. I hope this video helped you to download paid apps for free, plus apps, hacked apps and stuff. But remember, Tutu app does change their rules like every month or so. So if you're watching this video like 2 years from now, then yes, Tutu app has obviously changed their rules. So don't go down in the comments hating on me. Just make sure you just see when this video was published. So yeah, I am telling you to download Tutu app and getting paid apps for free. It's just because, you know, I don't want you guys to spend extra money on stuff. It's just I want our YouTube journey to be as easy and as smooth as possible. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. In my channel, again, I have YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, everything you need for YouTube success, even video and channel SEO tips. So yeah, again, my name is Enacaus, and peace out.